Title: The Tale of the Singing Bamboo. Once upon a time, in the picturesque state of Manipur, there lived a young boy named Pambay. He was known throughout the village for his melodious voice and his love for the bamboo flute. Pambay spent his days tending to his family's rice fields and evenings playing enchanting tunes on his bamboo flute. Pambay's music had a magical quality that could make even the wildest animals calm and the angriest hearts peaceful. People from neighboring villages would visit just to hear him play, and they'd leave with their souls refreshed and their burdens lighter. However, Pambay was a very modest boy. He never sought fame or fortune for his talent. He played the bamboo flute because it brought joy to his heart and the hearts of others.